Hello and welcome to another excelattheoffice.com video to help you excel at the office and in life generally. Particularly this one. It's New Year, Happy New Year 2026. To set your new year off to a good start, how about doing things that enhance the happy chemicals in your brain? I found this and I found it quite helpful, so I'm sharing it with you in this snazzy PowerPoint template. The happy chemicals are in an acronym called DOSE, funnily enough, and here is what they stand for. So first one is dopamine, so that's known as a reward chemical, and here's some of the things I've collated for you that you can do, or some of the most effective things to enhance the dopamine in your brain. One of which I'd note, stimulate the mind, so that means doing puzzles or things like that, challenging tasks, not the trash dopamine that you get from doom scrolling on social media. Some particular foods I've picked out for you that are good for helping your body convert proteins from those foods into the chemicals in your brain. Physical exercise is important, and a sense of achievement. I like, as you might notice, creating lists and ticking them off, although I do not check them twice. No, it's not Christmas, is it? That's silly. Next, oxytocin. That's the love chemical. As it might suggest, things like physical touch and contact with people, even just hugging a friend, spending quality time with your friends and family, and of course cuddling your pets can enhance that chemical in the brain. Again, physical exercise, and of course music is always good, and this is why for the chemical in your brain. S stands for serotonin. That's known as the mood chemical. You're noticing a pattern here. Physical exercise features again. This one, exposure to sunlight, so not just good for vitamin D, particularly this time of year, where there's not a lot of sunlight in the UK, only about 8 hours or so, and it's very weak, so vitamin D supplements, but exposure to sunlight. And while you're doing that, you can walk in nature, so around woods. The countryside is always very nice. I enjoy doing that. The coast, things that are a bit of a spectacle. That will help you calm your mind. Naturally, you'll be mindful as you're walking, as you're not looking down at your phone. But meditation and yoga are all good for your serotonin levels. And finally, endorphins. And this is a pain relief chemical. So things that enhance this, again, some overlap, physical exercise, but some things are very specific to producing these chemicals, like comedy, watching comedy. I'm keen to watch Ricky Gervais's new episode on Netflix. I haven't watched that yet, so that'll be a good laugh. Sex and love release endorphins, as does eating really nice food, and apparently dark chocolate is a shortcut on this one, so that's handy too. So I hope you find that quick run through helpful. Find some more stuff at eato.blog. I'd appreciate it if you buy me a coffee if you like this content or you find it helpful. I've got some quirky t-shirts there as well, or if you can't be bothered with any of that, I'd very much appreciate a like or subscribe. That helps the YouTube algorithms. Whatever you do in 2026, whatever your New Year's resolutions, I recommend incorporating some of these activities into them, and you can save this as an image on your phone if you need to be reminded, because I've collated it all simply for you.